What should a sister do when her father and aunt are pressuring her to marry her cousin, but age doesn't see him to be a religious, but she doesn't see him to be a religious man? No woman has to be forced into marriage. And I always say this to the sisters: if your parents force you to get married, don't listen. Don't listen. If your parents force you to get married, you don't listen. You don't have to listen. Take their suggestion, take what they say on board, but don't listen if you think this is not the right person for you. The reason is because it becomes detrimental if you marry someone you don't like, somebody you're repulsed to. It could harm you. Okay, it could what? It could harm you and your future. So just kindly and gently tell your parents that this is not something you want to pursue and you want to do. If they want to marry, don't marry. That's your choice. That's your rights. That's you. And the parents, we should just present the idea to the daughter. We have Fulan ibn Fulan ready. Do you want to get married to him or not? That's it. But to force that onto the daughter is not. And the same with the brothers. Boys sometimes get pressured into marriage as well. And that's not also something he should have to do as well.